I'm going to play some audio, a sound from technology, and you have to guess whether the millennials will know what makes this sound. Will millennial Nicole know what sound this is?
I do not believe she will get this one.
I'm saying no as well.
Punching a time card?
That is a great guess, but no. That is a camera flash bulb. Before iPhones, we had these things called cameras. And the camera, they had these little bulbs like that you put on, one use only. So Ralph gets the point, right? All right, Vicky, you need this one. Will millennial Brittany know what very recognizable sound this is?
I think she may know what that one is.
Okay, so the animal's on the wheel, and then you pull it.
The animal's on the wheel, and then you pull it.
Yeah.
You know what to make the noise like this is a pig.
No, that was a rotary phone. That was a rotary phone.